Hello, Refuelers. Craig Mackay here from the Refuel team with 2 months to go before we meet on the hills of the Cairngorm Mountains in Aviemore this summer. And we're left wondering at this stage, does anyone really know why we're going there for 1 year only? And I thought I'd come on and quickly explain. So briefly, not only do we get to change the dates of the festival to avoid clashing with the great work of our friends at Magnitude, but we also reach into the school English school holidays as well. And we're already seeing people and friends from south of the border coming to join us this summer for a summer with us, which is awesome. But these are not the principal reasons for the change. Shortly before summer last year, before the festival, our prayer team started to see things in their prayer time which they simply could not ignore. There was a sense that we were being called to find the high places of Scotland, to find the gateway to the Highlands of Scotland. And there was, in reading the scriptures about the threshing floor, the gateway to the city where the wind blew the chaff away, we were being called to find the high place, find the gateway to the Highlands, and to thresh out in prayer and in worship the demonic forces that have had strongholds that have been hurting the Highlands for centuries now. We've always wondered why the Darnell fires that have been prophesied as coming from the north have never really connected up or set the land on fire like we hoped to. And we've often asked the questions, why do some of the best and most anointed leaders and pastors find ministering in the Highlands so hard? It's a fact. And we often asked, what is the legacy of the centuries of clan warfare, the clearances, the religion, Masonicism, hurt? What's the legacy? What's the generational legacy of all that hurt? What's its impact on the Highlands of Scotland? And we believe that for reasons we'll never fully understand, will we? The enemy, the prince of the air, has clearly been allowed a measure of dominion over the Highlands over these years and centuries. And whilst God could, in his sovereignty, deal with it in an instant, we know that he has commissioned us as his people to co-labor with him in transforming communities, nations, and regions. So that's what we're going to do. We're simply being obedient to the prayer that the team heard, and that's what we're going to do. So we're heading to Aviemore this summer for 1 year only to do battle over the land, to intercede for the Highlands of Scotland, to thresh out all that hurt, all that resistance, all that division, all that history. We're going to thresh it away at the gateway to the high places of our country. And whilst we of course don't believe that what we're suggesting to do is a panacea that would see transformation or release in the Highlands, we do wholeheartedly believe that we have our part to play in this part of our history for the church and our land and for what the Refuel Festival has been called to do. So we're simply being obedient. So will you join us this summer? To worship, to pray, to intercede over your land and your nation, to meet with friends, to connect with other denominations, and to really just see that commanded blessing flow. It's biblical. You can't avoid it. Just by being together, his commanded blessing is on us. So will you join us and just see where that takes us this summer? Can't wait to see you all. See you then.